nepotism, movie mafia, underprivileged, backward, and whatnot. So there are loads of terms in this industry. Yes, in this Bollywood all industry. Are doing good and keeping your family and beloved one safe during this pandemic time. So the current topic nowadays in the Indian industry is about the suicide case of Sushant Singh Rajput, or as per some different sources, a pre-planned murder. I really am nowhere to comment on the ongoing legal issues around this incident, but yes, indeed, we all are feeling very sad about the death of this grooming actor. That is something different that we never discussed about the guy when he was alive or presenting many a great of his talent in acting capabilities. To be very honest, we always attracted by the not so good actors and actresses because of the glam and glitter of this industry. So I'm not going to talk much about this matter, but what I'm going to talk is many of the reasons that talented and good actors and actresses are suffering from for a long time in this Bollywood industry. Let's start. Let's start. So in today's discussion, I have some important point that you should be knowing before you start watching the films after we recover from this COVID situation. Trust me, all the shoutings, all the protests, and all the things that we are doing or going on will be in vain once the epidemic will be under control. And we will start thinking of spending some quality time with our family, with our beloved ones by watching the same movies from that renowned directors for whom we have shown our grudges. We have spent loads of time in social medias. We have shown our grudges by like writing many types of comments, right? So let's that is something different that is coming in the near future. But yes, so now as I said, today I'm going to cover some points in this video that would show you the black side of this Indian Bollywood industry. So these are the 6 points that I'll be covering in today's video. So the first one is sexualization of actors. The second point is casting couch. I hope you have heard about this word. It is a very old and very so-called word we can hear from this industry. The third and the most hot topic is nepotism. Right. The next point is our fourth point, that is friends with benefits. Point number 5, which has like given a great and bad impact in like many of the actors and actors in the industry, that is depression, alcoholism, and as a result death. And point number 6, that is infidelity. So the first point that we will be going through is sexualization of actresses. This is one of the bitter truths about this industry. Sexualization of women is quite a fashion in this industry and happens in 1 out of every 2 movies. A survey revealed that 35% of the female characters feature nudity. So the first point that we will be going through is sexualization of actresses. This is one of the bitter truths about this industry. Sexualization of women is quite a fashion in this industry and happens in 1 out of every 2 movies. A survey revealed that 35% of the female characters feature nudity. Now moving on to our second point, that is casting couch. Yes, that's the reality of this industry. Every actor and actresses once in their life have gone through this casting couch experience. Many casting couch directors demand sexual favor from actors or actresses in return of big roles in the movies. We can see and we can easily comment on the newcomers that how easily they are getting chances in the movies. But behind most of the casting, remember, there is always a couch. If not always, but most of the time, there is always a casting couch concept in this industry. Though it sounds very odd, so I would prefer let's move on to the next point without elaborating it more, as I believe everyone is quite mature enough to understand what I really meant. Okay, so the next point I will be elaborating in short is the hot kick of the market. Yes, that's about the nepotism. Trust me, even in 2019 I was not entirely sure what that word means. But after the blunder that has happened with SSR, or I'm sorry, but I should be saying Sushant, now there is no one on earth who will be able to erase the end-to-end meaning or the concept of it from my mind. Trust me. So the crown of nepotism has been given to Karan Johar. Even on the sets of Coffee with Karan, Kangana Ranaut blamed Karan Johar for practicing nepotism in the industry. Her statement turned into an ugly war between Kangana and Karan. Even she called Karan a movie mafia. Trust me, I was having a bad concept of Kangana or about Kangana after she started war or after she started blaming Hrithik. So here is the point, quoted and unquoted. I was brainwashed by my brother, by my younger brother, Rahul, who is very much fond of Hrithik Roshan, or you can say he's a die-hard fan of Hrithik Roshan. But after seeing Kangana's many videos after in different topics, in different matters, mostly on the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, I decided to announce a war with my brother. I really respect Kangana now, and she is fighting in the industry to reveal all the nonsensical activities. Moving on to our next point, that is friends with benefit. Many actors, including Kangana Ranaut, have admitted that Bollywood is not a place for friendship. Every other person will be friend for their own benefits, and once they are done, they will kick your ass and throw you out of their life, and if possible maybe from the industry as well. So the next point, as I said, is one of the most bad and saddest point of this Bollywood industry, and that point is depression, alcoholism, and as a result, death. Many actors and actresses of this industry have gone under depression and alcoholism, while some died under mysterious circumstances. Parveen Bawi, as you may know, was one of the most successful actresses of a time who went in depression, abused drugs and alcohol, and died in a very pathetic condition. On the other hand, Divya Bharti, who was one of the most beautiful actresses that time, and was one of the rising actresses, I should be saying, of that time, who died in another mysterious circumstances which is still unknown. And we have seen many examples in this industry. If something is unknown, it will stay unknown to everyone. Now the point I'm going to discuss is something very controversial, you can say, and the point is infidelity. Bollywood movies have many times promoted infidelity and cheating on partners, but our favorite Bollywood stars, they are nowhere behind. Many superstars like Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Raj Kapoor and Dilip Kumar have shamelessly cheated on their partners. A great number of actors have had extramarital affairs, some of them even married twice or thrice. So that is all I could conclude in this video, as I'm not in a phase to make large time consuming ones because no one have that much of time to spend on YouTube or maybe in my channel. The intention in every video is to share some knowledge to the viewers that they can be benefited with. But I strongly agree that this one would just be an FYI. We will bring more videos which will definitely have valuable information that you can utilize, whether it is in your group discussion with friends or maybe with among office colleagues, you can say, or in some academical purpose as well. To watch all those videos, please stay tuned with us. Please stay tuned with this channel. Keep on showing your support, and yes, please do not forget to subscribe this channel, as this would help me, this would help the channel, and this would also motivate us to make new videos in the coming future. If you have any suggestions, if you have any topic you want me to make videos on, just put your feedback, your advice in the comment box, and we'll try to come up with that as soon as possible. Till the time we meet again, stay safe, stay happy, and yes, stay at your home and spend loads of quality time with your family.